everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J here with a review and tutorial using the collection from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I ordered these items from her website. So let's go ahead and jump into everything. So I ordered the complete collection and it comes in two different sets. So let's first start with the daytime set. It comes in this box. This entire set retails for $50. On the inside of each box, it comes with sunglasses, an eyeshadow quad, and 2 lip products. You do not have to buy the entire set. You can buy the makeup products individually, but it does not come with the glasses. In this set, we have 2 metallic liquid lipsticks. You have one in the color Sunset Punch, and this one retails for $20. This color is described as a metallic dusty mauve. And the other liquid lipstick is called Bellini. This one also retails for $20, and this one is described as a metallic golden peach color. And here is the daytime eyeshadow quad. It has 4 full-sized eyeshadows. This quad retails for $32. It comes with all 4 of these colors already picked out for you guys. And it has this little design here that has like the palm trees, kind of cute little moment. This quad is warm toned and it has a mix of matte and metallic eyeshadows in it. But I will say the back of this quad does not have the eyeshadow names written on the back of them. You will have to take them out of the quad to see what the eyeshadow colors are if you can't just remember. It has this little divot here for you to be able to dig it out really easily if you need to depot it for any reason. So next, let's move on to the Sunset collection. Again, same concept, except this one is for the nighttime. I wonder why they didn't call this box the nighttime box since they called the other one the daytime one. Questions that need answers. So here's the inside of this one, and then the inside of this box again has the sunglasses, 2 lip products, and the eyeshadow quad. This box is a little bit less expensive. This one retails for $48. So this set has 2 lip glosses instead of liquid lipsticks. Each lip gloss retails for $16. So the first lip gloss is called Pink Daiquiri, and the color is described as a multi-dimensional pink pearl sparkle. And the next lip gloss is called Blue Hawaii, and this color is described as a multi-dimensional blue sparkle with a violet shift, and that's the one that I have on right now. And here's the quad that comes in this collection. Again, 4 different eyeshadows and a mix of 2 mattes and then 1 duochrome and 1 metallic eyeshadow. This one has 1 repeat shade, which is this color right here, Birkin. So that is a part of her regular line. And of course I have to try on the purple glasses because that's what came in this box. Purple. So those are all the products that come in the boxes. Let's quickly go over the value that you're getting from getting the boxes versus buying anything individually. So like I said, I bought these boxes in their entirety. They come with all the products in them, plus the glasses, plus the box. This one is the daytime box. This one retails for $48. If you bought all of the makeup products that came in this box individually, the 2 liquid lipsticks and the quad, you would spend $72. So buying it in the box, you do get a savings. You save $22. Same thing with the Sunset box. This one is a little bit cheaper. This one is $48. If you bought all of the makeup products in this box individually, the 2 lip glosses plus the quad, you would spend $64. So buying it in the set, you do save $16. I feel like that's a better value. If you wanted to buy like maybe both of the quads and a liquid lipstick, I would just go ahead and tell you to just buy both of the boxes because together you'll get a total savings of $38. Also, I know a lot of people are used to seeing Anastasia come out with palettes, and we're used to that price point and the amount of eyeshadows that we get. So seeing her come out with quads can be a little bit shocking, especially since these quads are $32. But if you buy any of Anastasia's single eyeshadows, if you buy one of them, it retails for $12. If you buy 4 of her single eyeshadows, then it does come with this little quad case as well, and it's also $32. So this is the same pricing that she has for her single eyeshadows if you ever purchase any of them from her. But I wanted to quickly compare it to the Soft Glam palette. The Soft Glam palette retails for $42, and it does have 14 different eyeshadows in here. These eyeshadows are very small. There's only 0.02 ounces of product in each pan in the palette versus getting a single eyeshadow. A single eyeshadow from Anastasia has 1.7 grams of product in it, and the total amount of eyeshadow in this palette is 0.74 grams, meaning there's more product in one of these pans of eyeshadow than there is with all of these eyeshadows combined. It'll take all of these eyeshadows combined pretty much 2.5 times to fill one of these eyeshadow pans. Now, I don't know if you guys care about that or not. A lot of people don't, simply because you don't run through eyeshadows that quickly. Most of us don't, but if you're a person who's really into math and how much product you're getting, it is a better value to get the the single eyeshadows or go ahead and get a quad. But I want to go ahead and jump into the demonstration of these products. That way you guys can see everything in action. I did 2 different looks. I did a look with the daytime box and I did a look with the sunset box. So let me know what you all think about it down below. As of right now, this is an online exclusive for AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. I will keep you guys updated if they decide to send these products out to different retailers. But as of right now, that is the only place where you're able to get these products. Let me know what you all think about them down in the comment section. So I hope that you all enjoy. I'm first going to go in with a Smith 235 brush. I am going to take this above my crease, and I already have my eyes prepped with concealer, and I did not set them. I just made sure that they were smooth. So as you all can see, I'm starting from the outer edge and bringing it upwards and diffusing it. So as you all can see, that color went on a little bit grayer than it looks in the pan. Those type colors almost always typically turn that color on me. Now I'm going to take the same brush in the color Papaya. Now moving down ever so slightly, I'm going to apply this color directly in the crease, back and forth. This color is pretty light. It's not showing up very pigmented. I'm going to go back and forth and try to build this color up, but pretty much it's almost like a wash. It's not very prominent on my complexion as a crease color. So now I'm going to go in with a Sonia G brush. This is the Worker 3. I am going to go in with the color Sunny. And I am going to pop this all across my lid. Alright, so this color is starting off kind of sheer. But let's see if we can build it. I'm getting a little bit of fallout, but I'm okay with that. So I feel like this is pretty, but I want it to be more intense. I want it to look more metallic like the color in the pan. So I'm going to go back with this color and I am going to mist it with some Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Let's see if we can make this more metallic. Definitely amped it up. Okay, so that looks good so far. I have one more color left in the palette. I'm going to use that color on the lower lash line, but I don't really feel like my eye look is complete on the top. So I actually am going to dip into my handy dandy soft glam palette. So with the MAC 221, I'm going to dip into the color Sienna. And I am going to take that in the crease for some definition. Yes. I need a more complete look. So just back and forth directly in the crease and then slightly build that up. Same brush, and let's take some Cypress Umber and I'm going to pop that right on the very outer corner and bring it upwards. And with the Wayne Guys 27S, I'm going to take the color Fairy. I am going to pop that on the inner corner. And then I'm going to take the same brush and the color Papaya and put that on the rest of the lower lash line. Oops, I forgot about this color. Let's go in with Rose Quartz. Let's pop that right in the middle on the lower lash line. And this is the eye look. So I'm going to go ahead and do liner and lashes. I'll be right back and show you what it looks like with that. And then we can try on those lips. So here's the finished eye look. Let's try on the liquid lipsticks. So first, I'm going to try on Sunset Punch. This is very, very frosty and pink. It's like a mix between throwback in the 80s and like what the 80s people thought we would be like. In 2019, everybody thought we would be flying. Is this retro or is it futuristic? I can't really tell, but this color is a little too frosty for me. Now let's try on Bellini. I would not wear this by itself. However, I think it'll be pretty sheared down a little bit and then mixed with a lip liner and a lip gloss. I think it'll have a really pretty iridescent look. But I think this color is pretty. I just wouldn't wear it this matte or this boldly. So I'm first going to take the color Birkin with a Sonia G Crease 2 brush. And let's pop this right in our crease. And I have on concealer that I did not set on my lid. Same brush, and I'm going to take the color Horizon. And right underneath this color, very carefully, I'm going to apply this color on the outer crease and begin to start sculpting it out. I also am going to apply this color right here on the lid. And I'm not going to take it too far in. I am going to concentrate this color right here. And then whatever is left over, I'll start to diffuse it over. But pretty much this color is going to live right here. And then I'm not going to take it too far up because we did just apply that color for our transition. That looks good. Now I'm going to go in with a flat shader brush. This is a Chikuhodo AF5 brush and the color Streak. And very carefully, I'm going to build this color up from the inner corner and blend it all the way over to this color. And this is going to be the only color on my lid. So this is very smooth. But I am going to use packing motions, so back and forth in a tapping motion to deposit this color. And then I'm going to go with the eye shape. So that's what we're aiming for. So I went ahead and added a little bit of eyeliner and lashes. I will have the makeup details listed down below. I'm going to continue on with the same color on the lower inner corner as well. So wiping off that brush, I'm going to take Blue Flash on the rest of the lower lash line. Buff that out. With a little bit of spray, it really intensifies those colors. So here's the finished eye look. So first I'm going to try on Pink Daiquiri. Super cute. It's the perfect combination of sheer but yet Barbie pink at the same time. I like this color. I think I'm starting to like pink lips again. Who am I becoming? I know, right? Who am I? I think this will be really pretty for spring. I like the way it feels. It's a glittery gloss, but you cannot feel the chunks of glitter. I like how it's duochrome. I think it's really pretty. And let's try on Blue Hawaii. Yes. Okay, this one smells like cupcakes. The other one doesn't smell like this one. I love the color of this one, but this one is a little bit grittier than the other one because this one has more glitter particles in it. You can feel it. It's not too distracting, but it is there. Plus, I think this one smells a little bit different. They both smell good, but this one smells like vanilla cupcakes, and this one smells like... That one smells like cake too, but not vanilla cake. I like this color. It's like a purple blue color, but it's not too blue to the point where it's like not wearable. For me, I really like the way this one looks. It's like the perfect amount of like a purple blue. So I'm feeling it. I'm not gonna wear them. Okay, so here's my finished look because I'm going to wear this gloss. So it's the moment you all have been waiting for, my final thoughts on this collection. So I think this box is super cute. Let's first talk about the liquid lipsticks. The metallic liquid lipsticks, I'm not a big fan of that. I feel like they were a little bit too metallic for my personal taste. I feel like these showed up and they worked and they dried down and they were metallic. They did exactly what they said they were going to do, but I just personally do not like this metallic of a liquid lipstick. But the formulation of them is nice if you are a fan of this type lip. You can make these work if they're a little bit too bold for your taste by using a lip liner, putting on this lip product, and maybe putting a gloss on with it to tone it down. But otherwise, I found these to be a little bit too loud for my personal preferences. But I will say that these liquid lipsticks are opaque. So something that I do want to try with them is to use them as eyeliners because I feel like that'll give a really cool metallic effect. This eye quad, I think the eye quad is okay. I think the colors in this quad weren't as pigmented as I wanted them to be. The mattes blended out really nicely, but I had to go over them a lot of times to build them up to make them opaque. I felt like these eyeshadows were very light in their color payoff. I had to use an additional adhesive. I used the spray to intensify them, to make them a little bit more foiled and make them pop. The colors went on really pretty and they were sheer, but I was really wanting that same formula that's in the Soft Glam palette, and I didn't really get that with this palette. I did a little bit of comparing this quad to the Soft Glam palette, and I overall prefer my Soft Glam palette, even though the colors are not exactly identical. I feel like there's enough similarities across the two products that I would go with this one because you get more color options. And even though these colors are not the exact same, I feel like you can do the same type look and nobody will know the difference of whether you use this palette or if you use this quad. In my opinion, the most unique color out of this quad is rose quartz, but you can make it look similar if you wanted to use like the rose quartz in that palette. I will insert swatch comparisons of colors in this quad that I found to be similar to the colors in the Soft Glam palette. So out of the two sets, I do prefer the sunset option. I feel like this one has more unique colors to my collection. Plus, I feel like the eyeshadows in the quad performed a little bit better. Plus, you guys know I love lip gloss. So based on those preferences alone, I'm going to be drawn to this one more. I really like these lip glosses. I feel like they're very cute and fun. I can definitely see myself using these a lot in the spring and summertime. Spring and summer always calls for a fun lip, and I feel like these are cool because you can throw them on and go. You can obviously use these lips to layer, but you can also wear them by themselves. I love how they have just enough color to where it doesn't just look clear, but yet it's not super opaque. So I really do like these lip glosses. I like this quad a lot more. I feel like the eyeshadows in this quad were a little bit more pigmented, both the mattes and the shimmers. I feel like the shimmers in here didn't have to have the spray, but I did it on the blue just to further intensify it. But I think that these are really pretty. I tried to find dupes of these colors in my collection, and I will insert what I found, but honestly, I don't have anything exactly like these colors in my collection, which that makes me happy. Of course, these two matte colors are colors that are pretty basic, but I like that these are included in this quad because I felt like this quad was more complete than the other quad. I did the entire eye look using this quad without having to reach outside of it. So that's everything. Let me know you guys' thoughts on this collection. The collection. Let me know if you plan on picking up anything online. It is currently available on AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. Make sure you let me know what you think down there, and I will talk to you all in my very next video. Smooches! Bye!